Hi, I'm Faith, and today is day 10 of Flylady's beginner baby steps to getting your home and life in order. Today, we need to make sure to get dressed in the morning, to be kind to ourselves, to do a quick 2-minute hot spot clean, to set a timer for 5 minutes for a 5-minute room rescue, to make sure to have a clean and shiny sink before bed, and to pick out an outfit that we're going to wear for tomorrow. Today, we need to set the timer for 15 minutes and to go around your house gathering trash. Then throw the trash into the garbage bin. One of the Flylady's tips is that you can do anything for 15 minutes. She doesn't want us to crash and burn. We just need to learn how to pace ourselves, one baby step at a time. I personally always had a habit to gather all of the trash in my house either the day of or the day before our garbage day. In the previous house, our garbage was picked up later in the afternoon, so I made sure to have all the garbage in the bin by the curb the morning the garbage was picked up. Now our garbage gets picked up early in the morning, so I make sure to gather all of the trash the day before the pickup, which is Wednesday. This is when I gather all the trash from the bathrooms, kitchen, and even the laundry room. Today, I set the timer for 15 minutes and I just went around our house gathering random trash that either my kids left on the floor or that was in our drawers. After the timer goes off, set the timer again for 15 minutes and do something nice for yourself. Or read your favorite book for 15 minutes or sit down and drink your favorite cup of tea. This is a time that you can recharge so you can continue on your day. Click the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more homemaking videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye!